Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Creative Pebble Plus desktop speakers. You can get this product on Amazon for about $44. Check out the link in the description. The subwoofer is small and lightweight. The speakers are also pretty small. All cables are connected to the right speaker. The right speaker also has the volume control and a manual high gain switch. Setting up the system is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds. The main reason why I decided to buy the Pebble Plus is because it's USB powered, and that's actually pretty convenient. I tested the desktop speakers for a few weeks and I think it's a great product. The sound is very good, it doesn't take up too much space, it looks really nice, and I love the fact that the system is USB powered. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good sounding desktop speaker system for your PC or laptop, I would recommend the Creative Pebble Plus desktop speakers. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.